What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, I can't be too loud. I'm bringing y'all another prank. Guess who I'm pranking? Just guess. Don't cheat now, don't look at the title. Yes, I'm pranking my roommate Amanda. I can't talk too loud because she's literally down the hall. But I'm pranking Amanda and I'm doing the car honking prank. I think that's what it's called. So let me tell y'all how this is gonna go down. So pretty much I had texted my closest friends to text me and Amanda to invite us over tonight, alright? Because I wanted a way for me and Amanda to be in the same car.
I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom. Get out my car! Aww.
And usually whenever we get invited places, we always ride together because we live together, so might as well. And I had asked her beforehand if she can drive and I'll ride with her, and she said yeah, that's cool. So it gave me the opportunity to put a poster on the back of her car, and I'm gonna get her reaction, guys. But yeah guys, I'm so hyped. Please give this video a like right now if you're excited to see how she's going to react. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed right now. I post 2 videos every single week, Thursdays and Sundays, so just subscribe. Let's get right into this video. So I just texted Amanda telling her I was ready to go. I told her I was ready to go, so whenever she tells me let's go, we're gonna go, and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm vlogging. So I'm gonna put her in the vlog, whatever. Yeah, it's been like 10 minutes and she hasn't responded to my text, and I don't even like hear her in her room like that. I hope she didn't fall asleep. Alright guys, so it's been another 10 minutes and she still hasn't texted me, or she still hasn't gone out of her room. I think I might be forced to like make some noise in the kitchen to show her that I'm ready, or just to wake her up. She still didn't get up. She still didn't open the door. She texted me to let's go. Okay, Amanda.
And I had made it. Ah, damn.
I didn't do my intro yet. So you're the first person they see.
What's up, guys?
They know you by now on this video. Alright guys, so we're in the car. The quality is not the best probably because it's really dark. But I'm with Amanda.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Y'all, she just woke up. Amanda's always sleeping, I swear. Every single time she's about to be in the video, you catch her asleep. Hold on, I don't even know what I'm gonna say.
So we're going to our friend's house right now.
Okay. Y'all, tell Amanda she has a YouTube channel.
Alright, guys, let me take over. I'm pulling up to a stoplight.
Amanda's gonna start it off.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
What up, everybody? It's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now, we're on our way to our friend's house right now. We're just gonna be chilling. Who the fuck? We're on our way to our friend's house right now. Not sure what we're gonna be doing tonight, but we're probably just gonna be chilling.
No, we're honestly just gonna go and have fun.
I fucking hate us. We have our lights on for this shit.
Oh shit, wait, let me turn this on. Excuse this. But I honestly don't live too far from myself. It shouldn't be too long of a...
Someone did not honk at me. My radio was not that high. I would have heard
your radio. I could have sworn I heard someone. For what though? I don't know. Okay.
Did I miss a turn?
No.
Okay. What up, everybody? It's Amanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight we're just gonna bring a little banger for you guys. We're just at my house chilling tonight.
Fine.
Don't. Alright, turn that shit off. Turn that shit off.
What? Why are they?
Someone definitely honked at us. Someone definitely honked at us.
What the heck?
Did I? Okay. Turn that shit off.
Why? You didn't like the attention?
No, someone honked at us. And you're like provoking them. Alright, whatever. You clearly don't. Damn!
It's just funny. Oh! Oh my god! Did they all get you again?
A prank?
No!
Wouldn't that be funny though?
No.
If you have something in the back of my car.
Oh my god, that would be so funny. Bro, why did I think of that?
Why did I think of that?
No, you can't use it now because
I know I can't use it now. Damn.
Right, anyways, oh yeah, we just cleaned it. Let me not show them where they live.
Turn that shit off.
Amanda know like the people why they can't see
Because they look.
you got tinted windows.
I think that I don't know if they're tinted anymore. I wonder how the f look on the outside.
Bro, you really think people can see us?
But the way that person was parking was really. I mean,
What if I could do this?
okay.
Bro, you know that's how you show them. Show them.
Okay, we're gonna do it my way again.
Do it. Ready, set, go.
Whatever.
No, bro, see, now you're not even sounding like yourself.
I can't. Okay. What up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Today, we're gonna
But
this is like,
yeah, this has been long.
this is like take 50.
Cause guys, we've done this.
This is a ride along with Amanda.
Yeah, literally, this is what it should be called, like a ride along. Like put right here. Okay.
We're not gonna do that, but
No, that's literally what I'm about to do, bro.
what up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're bringing you guys a ride along. Ride along with Amanda and Annie.
Tell them about your day.
You speak to them.
It's in Chinese.
Yes, in Chinese. Guess what it says? Oh my god, someone else honked at me.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh, this is a prank. I know it.
Huh?
I know this is gotta be a
Who's
prank.
pranking you?
You're pranking.
I'm not pranking you. Why do you think they honking at you?
Because the light.
Why are you putting that attention towards yourself? So if you think I would put the light away, you're gonna stop with the lights, with the honks.
You heard that, right?
Or what? Now they can't even see it because you think this is some. Y'all, Amanda's ruining this, bro. I'm trying to talk to y'all. What's wrong with you? I'm trying to talk to
This
y'all.
is not a prank, right?
No,
You promise on
what type of
every-
prank would this be?
Like a prank where like you put a sign. I seen this on YouTube.
Who did
where,
it?
Like one of my favorite YouTubers.
What kind of prank would this be, bro? I've never seen anything like that.
A very smart one.
At least I know she ain't gonna do it on me. We'll just turn it. What's so funny?
No, that thing is so funny. I just laughed.
Alright guys, so we just got to our destination.
We just got to our destination.
Alright y'all, swipe up right now if you want to see a ride along with me and Amanda.
Yes, sir.
Yo, this is gonna be so funny.
Real quick though, let me just check to see if there's a prank going on. Cause I gotta check real quick.
Where are you going? Wait! No! Yo, she saw it, guys. You can't even see it because it's dark.
No cap. Yo, that's disrespectful.
Bro!
Twice.
Bro, I was trying to make this go on for longer.
This is gonna be a whole ass prank video.
Bro, she really.
Honk.
Yeah, I don't think it's failed though, because I kind of got you. It just didn't last as long as I wanted it to.
I don't think you got me. Cause it's more like I couldn't get out my car and check for myself. Cause I really.
All right, guys. guys, so that is the end of today's video. Yes, it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to turn out, but we still got a little reaction and she was a little funny about it, so it was alright. It was alright. I'm not gonna say it was completely failed. Next prank, guys, I'm telling y'all, I'm not folding. I'm gonna get the best reaction and I'm going to make sure. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below, guys. Literally takes 0.2 seconds. You can literally do it as I'm talking, right? So go ahead and click that subscribe button because I do post every Thursdays and Sundays, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified at the time that I do post. So yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next video, okay? But enough talking, guys.